Learn 20 plus. Daily routine vocabulary. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. Turn off the alarm. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm when I wake up. Stretch. Stretch. I stretch my arms and legs after waking up. Get up. Get up. Then I get up from my bed. Put on. Put on. I put on my slippers. Take out the garbage. Take out the garbage. I take out the garbage every evening. Water the plants. Water the plants. I water the plants in the garden regularly. Feed the dog. Feed the dog. I feed the dog in the morning and evening. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth before breakfast. Wash. Wash. I wash my face with cold water. Clip nails. Clip nails. I clip my nails regularly. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. I do the laundry on Sundays. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. I do the dishes in the morning. Take a shower. Take a shower. I take a shower before heading to work. Get dressed. Get dressed. I get dressed nicely before going out. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast to start my day. Sip. Sip. I sip my juice to feel refreshed. Comb hair. Comb hair. I comb hair before leaving my home. Drive. Drive. I drive to work during weekday. Commute. Commute. I commute by bus when I don't drive. Take a taxi. Take a taxi. Sometimes I take a taxi to work. 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 I work at the office from 9 to 5. Type. Type. I type reports on my computer. Answer. Answer. I answer emails and phone calls throughout the day. Meet. Meet. I meet different people at my work place. Take a break. Take a break. I take short breaks to relax during the day. Take a nap. Take a nap. I take a nap in the afternoon sometimes. Surf the internet. Surf the internet. I surf the internet in my free time. Discuss. Discuss. I discuss project ideas with my team. Plan. Plan. I plan my tasks for the day in the morning. Organize. Organize. I organize files before leaving the office. Exercise. Exercise. I exercise at the gym after work.